Ha ha ha.
I'm gonna lock my base so no one can steal from me. Look at all these brain rots. I wish I had some more. Oh wait, there's a kid with a frigo Camel. I'm gonna steal from bro. How much time does his base have left? Ooh.
Hello.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Hey. Hey. No. God.
Hey, frigo Camel, look at it. LOL.
No. Give me back.
My frigo Camel.
No. Oh.
Look at this, 1.4K a second. You suck. You got nothing in your base now. You suck. LOL.
I'm gonna report you. I'm reporting you.
Yeah, sure, report me, buddy. Cry about it. LOL, no brain rots.
Shut up.
No brain rots. LOL. Get on my lobby. Get on my lobby, kid. Get on my lobby. Get on my lobby. Get on my lobby.